ating lahat. Ako po si Abelardo Alice Jr., isa pong registered nutritionist dietitian. So, welcome po sa bagong segment ng ating video na ito na kung saan pag-uusapan natin kung paano po maging isang registered nutritionist dietitian dito po sa Pilipinas. So, hindi po madali na maging isang nutritionist dietitian sa Pilipinas. So, marami po yung pagdadaanan, exams, examinations, as well as registration po sa Professional Regulation Commission. So una, pag-aralan natin ano po yung batas na nagtatalakay at patungkol po dito sa nutrition and dietetics. So sabi dito sa Republic Act 10862 na naipasa noong May 25, 2016. So an act regulating the practice of nutrition and dietetics in the Philippines, repealing for the purpose of Presidential Decree 1286 known as the Nutrition and Dietetics Decree of 1977, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes. So sa madaling sabi, nung una pa, meron na po talagang Presidential Decree 1286 na kung saan ito po yung tinatawag na Nutrition and Dietetics Decree of 1977. So, nag-repeal siya last 2016, So ito po yung naging Republic Act 10862 po. So sabi diyan, the states recognize the important role of registered nutritionist dietitians in the nation building and the human development through adequate nutrition. So kailangan natin ng mga nutritionist dietitian dito po sa ating bansa, So paano maging isang nutritionist dietitian? So unang-una, kagaya ng nasabi ko kanina, meron pong examination. So passing of licensure examination requirements. Except as otherwise specifically allowed under this Act, applicants for registration for the practice of nutrition and dietetics shall be required to pass the board licensure examination for nutritionist dietitians as provided for in this Act. It shall be held in such places and dates on the Commission may designate in the resolution thereof of the master schedules of all licensure examination in accordance with Section 7D of Republic Act 8981, otherwise known as the PRC Modernization Act of 2000. So sa madaling sabi dito po sa Section 14, kailangan po talagang maipasa ang licensure examination. So paano po makapasa or paano mag-apply sa isang licensure examination? So Section 15, the qualification of applicants. An applicant for the licensure examination for nutritionist dietitian shall satisfactorily prove that he or she possesses the following qualification. So unang-una, citizen of the Philippines or of any foreign country, state which has policy or law on reciprocity for Filipinos relative to the practice of nutrition and dietetics in accordance with Section 31. A good moral character, a holder of bachelor degree in nutrition and dietetics, or its equivalent which is duly recognized or accredited by the CHED and confirmed by the school, college, or university, whether here or abroad, duly authorized by the government, and not convicted of an offense involving moral turpitude by a court or competent jurisdiction. So halimbawa ako, kagaya ko, bago po ako nakapag-take ng board examination, nag-aral po ako ng 4-year degree sa Partido State University, Laguna Campus, sa Laguna Camarines Sur, under the Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics. So maraming subjects, yung mga pag-aaralan, mga major subjects as well. So kaya pasalamat din po ako sa ating mga mentors, mga professors, as well as yung ating dean, yung program directors natin. So naging instrument sila para mas maabot natin yung ating pangarap, maging isang licensed nutritionist dietitian. So sa Section 16, the subjects for licensure examination, the licensure examination for nutritionist dietitian shall include but not be limited to the following. So nutrition and dietetics, the biochemistry, food service system, and community and applied nutrition. So ito na po yung public health natin. So the board, subject to approval by the commission, may revise or exclude any of the subjects and their tables of specification and syllabi and add new ones as the needed arise to conform to technological changes brought about by continuing trends in the profession. So maraming nagbabago-bago so before wala pa yung sustainable development goals sa mga karagdagan so ngayon kasi maraming mga inputs lalong-lalo na yung mga diet modification as well, and then yung mga services and others application na input ngayon pong COVID-19 pandemic. Ano po? Sa Section 17 naman, the rating and the licensure examination. To pass the licensure examination for NDs, a candidate must obtain a general or weighted rating of 75% with no rating below than 50. Provided that an applicant who fails to obtain passing rate rather passing average but to obtain at least 75% in which at least one half of the total subjects given in the examination may be permitted to take within 2 years from the date of his her examination. Another examination on the subjects in which he obtained a grade below 75 should examine no? Should the examinee fail in the set of subjects repeated in the second examination, he or she required to take all the subjects in the next examination. So halimbawa, meron pong tatlong subjects, the medical nutrition therapy, po, sunod, food service, and then the public health. Halimbawa, nakapasa ka sa dalawa, bagsak ka sa isa, so yung isa lang yung iti-take mo na subject, Pero kung bumagsak ka sa isa, bumagsak ka sa dalawa, nakapasa ka sa isa, so yung lahat pong subjects yung i-take mo. Ano po? So, maraming scope kapag ikaw ay isa pong ganap na nutritionist at dietitian So, hindi ka po pwedeng tawagin na nutritionist dietitian hangga't hindi ka po wala ka pong valid ID, the valid PRC ID. Po. Under the Article 6, the practice of nutrition and dietetics, Section 26, po? So, nandyan, a person is deemed to be ang practice of nutrition and dietetics within the meaning and intent of this act when he or she, for a fee, salary, or other reward or compensation, paid to be the individual or through another person or even without such reward or compensation, renders or offers to render professional service in nutrition and dietetics, such as providing medical nutrition therapy through the application of nutrition care process. So ito na po yung mga nasa hospital natin ng mga colleague. Optimizing the health and well-being of patients, clients through the delivery of quality products, programs, and services. The promoting of nutritional health and well-being of individuals, groups, communities, and population po. So ito naman yung mga NDs natin sa public health kagaya po. Setting standard, guidelines, and policies that encourage an environment that supports nutritional health. Ito naman po yung mga nutritionist dietitian natin na nasa NNC, yung mga policy making body na institution po. Managing food and nutrition system, including program, projects, and active services. Ito po yung mga NDs natin na nagtatrabaho sa food service system. Facilitating and conducting food, nutrition, and related research across the variety of practice setting. Ito na po yung mga NDs natin na nagtatrabaho sa FNRI. And educating and training others about food and nutrition in a variety of practice setting. Ito po yung mga NDs natin na nagtatrabaho sa academe. So marami pong NDs na oportunidad na makapagtrabaho po sila. Even yung mga NDs natin, pwede po silang mag-apply sa sa mga hospital, mga clinics, So, kung saan man nila gustong mag-practice ng kanilang profession. So, required R&D for various type of healthcare institution and other establishment under the section 27. So, kailangan po talagang may ND, lalo-lalo na yung mga hospitals natin. So, plantilla position with title that specifies nutritionist, dietitian, nutritionist, or dietitian as well as a position requiring the expertise of R&Ds shall be occupied by R&Ds. So, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, dapat ND po talaga yung maupo, yung i-deploy or i-hire ng ating mga employer. Ano po? Then meron tayong tinatawag na roster of nutritionist dietitian. Ano po? So may mga ano po, may mga ah, roster kung saan yung pangalan at address naka-indicate po doon ano kung kailan binigay yung ID, ano po yung expiration niya, kailan siya magre-renew. So yan po yung roster of nutritionist dietitian. Ano po? So abangan po natin yung mga susunod pa na mga videos regarding dito sa post na ito. Ano po? So sa muli, maraming salamat at kung may mga katanungan, uh, comment below na lang po sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.